We're going to discuss one of the very interesting projects into the space right now, which is called PundiX. And if you had to ask me that what is the one project that I think will make the cryptocurrency thing mainstream or will help the adoption on a massive scale, that is without doubt is PundiX. Because what simply PundiX is trying to do is PundiX is trying to make cryptocurrencies like buying a bottle of water, like how you can buy a bottle of water at any shop at anywhere in the world. And that's, imagine that being the cryptocurrencies. That's all of a sudden now you can pay anyone with the cryptocurrencies, and not only you can pay anyone like the retailers and merchants, but also you can buy cryptocurrencies from there. So you don't have this fear of these centralized exchanges. Oh, these exchanges are shut, that exchanges are shut, and things like that. So PundiX is a very ambitious project, and that is what is my concern as well, that how are they actually going to do that? Because when it comes to the mainstream adoption of PundiX, not really PundiX, but mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies, the regulators are not very friendly. So if PundiX has to do something like this, they really have to have regulators in place. But let's go ahead and find out. And if you are holding PundiX already, there is a very important message, because there is a swap taking place. Your PXS token, which is a PundiX token, is now being swapped with NPXS token, and for every PXS token you will be getting 1000 NPXS tokens. How does the swap happen? What do you need to do? We'll talk all about that. But let's start with the coin market first. Let's see how far this PundiX has come. So this started trading back in March 2018, and this was about 0.001 cent. And comparatively, if you compare the price, it has have good growth, right? And right now it's trading at about 0.01 cents. The first thing that you will see on the coin market here is a note which says the circulating supply has been removed. The reason it has been removed because there is a swap going on from PXS tokens to NPXS tokens, and the swap is going on till 20th of September, right? Yes. So like, what is this? June, July, August, 2 months more. And of course, I'm going to talk about how you can get your swapped tokens, how you can get your new tokens. But so it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy because they have an amazing project. It has grown. Like I said, they are very ambitious as well at the same time. And yesterday, in fact, I do want to share this news since I'm talking about PundiX. They did a partnership yesterday in South Korea. So this, as you can see, May 29, 2018, they have established a strategic partnership with the American Chamber of Commerce Korea, and AMCHAM will help introduce and promote PundiX blockchain-based point of sale solution to its members, including leading multi. So in short, what exactly PundiX is? Well, it's very simple to understand. Now, any store can buy, sell, and accept cryptocurrency. So one of the things that you must have noticed, that any store can accept cryptocurrencies is something that you will see many projects which are doing that. For example, 10x is doing that. For example, BitPay was doing something like that, right? But what happens to buy and sell? Now, this is the option that not many projects are doing it. So over here, when it comes to the merchant adoption, not only you can pay a merchant with the cryptocurrencies, but also if you're short of cryptocurrencies, you can buy more, or also you can sell your cryptocurrencies to the merchant as well. Isn't it like amazing? That's what I'm saying. It's amazing. It's very ambitious, and if it happens, we're already mainstream. By the way, they have been featured on multiple media, CNN, TechCrunch, Forbes, Quartz, Indian Express as well. Amazing. Indian Express. They have been doing a lot of conferences. Buying cryptocurrencies should be as easy as buying a bottled water. This is their mission. Basically, they want to make it mainstream, and the way they do it by 3 things. So they have a PundiX Pass card, like a Visa and MasterCard, right? A swipe card. They also have an XPOS machine, which is for the merchants. These XPOS machines look like a swipe machine. Like, you know, you must have seen these swipe machines of the merchants. And the third way is also they have a mobile app, right? So with the mobile app also you can do different things. And so quickly, let's go ahead and talk about the roadmap. And of course, they have done various partnerships. They are running as per their roadmap, which is fantastic. If you look at this partnership with North America to set up Pundi X Foundation for Transparency and Compliance, to deliver 300,000 XPOS cards. I'm not sure if they have delivered. To deliver 4,000 XPOS machines for corporate orders, and to establish Tokyo and Seoul office. So I think they have done so. What I really want to talk about, and which is one of the important one, is the swap, right? But before that, these are the partnerships: FinTech, NEM, Zcash. So they have a huge number of partnerships as well. So let's talk about how the swap happens now, because if you are holding a Pundi X token, PXS is now NPX. So now the tokens that you're holding is ERC20 tokens that will be replaced with a new token which is called NPXS. And for one PXS, you're getting 1,000 NPXS. So let's say if you have like maybe 1,000 Pundi X token, you're going to get about 1,000 into 1,000. I think a million, right? So how does that happen? How does it happen? So basically, all that you have to do is, now this is a very important process. You have to do it before September. And all that you have to do is make sure that you have all these PXS token, Pundi X token stored in a MyEther wallet, and you're not stored it in an exchange, right? So once you have it in a MyEther wallet, all that you have to do is you have to send it on this address here, which is mentioned on their website, right? This is the address that you have to send your ERC20 token from your MyEther wallet to here. And within 72 hours or within 48 hours, you will get the new token, which is called NPXS, in the same wallet. One thing to be very careful here is, do not try to send your Pundi X token from an exchange. Like I said, it's always better to have your funds in a personal wallet, like a MyEther wallet and things like that. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Maybe it's possible maybe you have already done that, because it started sometime in the month of March, I guess, and they are still doing it. Apart from that, they also have something called as unlock tokens. So May tokens unlock for both. So there's something called as unlock tokens. Consider this as a passive earning, just like you hold, just like you earn gas for holding NEO. Similar to, if you keep holding, there is some amount of unlocked NPX tokens that will be credited into your existing wallet. So how much will be credited? The rate of 7%. So let's say if you're holding about 1,000 tokens, 7% of it will be credited onto your wallet for every month, and that will be for 12 months. And after 12 months, that will change to 2%, and then it will change to 0.88%. So this is basically good way to I think, you know, earn some passive tokens out here. Yeah, there are some warnings that do not try to send your PXS tokens from a public wallet or exchanges. There are few wallets which are supported, but these wallets are supported only for the new. Those has not swapped for NPXS tokens. We recommend you to avoid swapping your PXS tokens from May 28 to June 8. So there you go. If you have not swapped it, avoid this date, guys. Today is 31st of May. So avoid this till June 8, as you may experience a delay of receiving NPXS tokens due to heavy traffic on the Ethereum network. So there is some, I don't know why is there a traffic on the Ethereum network. Is it because of the EOS and Tron mainnet launch? Probably. If you swap PXS token for NPXS between, it is possible that you may not receive token in time and miss the snapshot. So avoid that. Maybe you can do that after the June 8, because anyway the swap is going to continue till 1st of September as per the report. So this is a very, very important step. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. It's a very easy, simple process. Let me know in the comment box below if you have already swapped your PXS token with NPXS tokens, and do you already hold it, and how excited are you? Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Overall, in my opinion, I think Pundi X is a strong project. They have done multiple partnerships and they are really trying to achieve something big out here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit that like, subscribe if you're new, and take care.